Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Chilipino XD back. I'm back, and I know, I'm sorry. I know I do this all the time, where I leave for like the longest time. But thinking of it as like you're watching a show, and there's seasons, and like when the season ends, you gotta wait until like the next season comes on. You know what I mean? Think of it like that. I want to fix up my hair real quick because I just took a shower, and then I'll get back to the vlog real quick. Boom, just like that, my hair is done, and it is like about to be 1, so I need to go pick up my mom real quick. So let's go ahead and go pick up my mom real quick. So also I forgot to mention that today is September 10th. It is my birthday. So this video is actually kind of like current, recent. Honestly, I hope this video gets uploaded. Like, a lot of you guys at my work are asking me to upload because you guys found out that I do have a YouTube channel. And honestly, I do really want to upload, but it's just work does take a lot out of me, so I bought this power washer about, I would say about a couple weeks ago, and this is what it looks like. It was from Harbor Freight, Portland. Power washer about 1750 psi, electric power washer, by the way. The only thing about this is that it was a pretty cheap power washer, so whatever comes with it is the only thing you could use. Like, you couldn't attach anything else towards it. So it came with this foam cannon, which I did use, and it was pretty bad, not gonna lie. As I think you saw in some of my other videos, I go to my friend's house, use his power washer, and we bought this foam cannon that, like, it's one of those satisfying things you want to see when you wash a car with the power washer. So I was researching online, trying to see if I could find different attachments, something I could use for this power washer. And I did find 2 solutions, but those 2 solutions kind of just went out the window because they sent the links to Amazon, and both links were just, the Amazon stopped selling, it was unavailable. I checked everywhere else. There was one place I could buy it from, and I would have to ship it here, and shipping was like $13, and I was like, nah, I was not gonna do that. So I went to Lowe's as like my last resort, just went through like all their power washer accessories that they had, ended up finding different hoses, and I found one that fits my power washer. And right before I was about to buy that, there was a shelf like towards the top. I was like, wonder what that is. Grabbed it, looked at it, and it was like a power washer set, as in the hose to the water gun. And the hose fit the power washer. So if the hose fit the power washer, that means I could use anything else I could use. So I bought that, tested it out, and it fits. So today will be the first time using the foam cannon, which is, as you probably, if you were to look up foam cannons on like online or like YouTube and stuff, they will mention a lot about this Amazon foam cannon that was like 16-20 bucks. It was pretty cheap, and this foam cannon would use at my friend's house with this power washer, and it worked perfectly fine. It was amazing. We were about to buy the Chemical Guys foam cannon, which was like 80 bucks. We saved ourselves like 60 bucks right there. So it's a little hot, by the way, guys. Sorry if I look shiny. Anywho's, without further ado, let's go ahead and try using this power washer. Let's switch to my I forgot what it's called. It's not a GoPro, it's something else, but I forgot what it's called. But I'm gonna switch that, and then we'll go ahead and get everything started. Clip you guys saw, I kind of got into cleaning the car, like without even putting it on camera. I like drying it. I kind of didn't want to like film while drying and then like end up missing spots and then getting water spots and all that. So I ended up just drying it real quick, and then I ended up waxing it. It was also getting dark, so I kind of wanted to do it quick. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I just wanted to film something for you guys. It's been way too long again, and I'm sorry for that. I can't guarantee that I'm gonna keep uploading like I say I am, but I'm gonna try my best, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So If you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead. So right below, it takes a couple of seconds, it's free. Just go ahead and smack that subscribe button. Join my adventures, and then I hope you guys will come back to my next video.